Good morning everyone. Today we'll be covering the sketch and extrude tools in 123D design. So we'll be using this tool, the sketch tool, and we'll also be using the extrude tool to create the object here, extrude, and we'll be using these navigation tools, pan, orbit, zoom. We will create this table that you see here. Let's begin. We begin by clicking sketch and clicking the sketch rectangle. Now, even though it says sketch rectangle, we're actually making a square for our table. So it says click on the grid. So we're going to click on the grid and we'll click on the first corner, drag it out. We're going to make a very simple 50 by 50 millimeter square. I hit click, and it says click to specify the first corner of the rectangle. So we're going to continue using the sketch tool and just draw our corner legs, 5 by 5 millimeter each. Click and click and click and click. I hit enter to complete the process. I zoom in, and as you can see, I see a surface for the table and 4 legs for the table. Next, we're going to apply the extrude tool. We click the table surface and we click extrude. With extrude, you can create 3D objects from 2D faces. So here we're just going to pull this up to 5 millimeters and hit enter. To create the legs, we're going to angle this so that we can actually do all 4 legs at the same time. You saw how I used the orbit tool. I pan over, orbit a little bit more, and I'm able to see all 4 legs. Now from here I can highlight each leg. I click, I press down the shift key, I click again. You see 2 legs are highlighted. I press down the shift key, I click again. I press down the shift key and I click again. I orbit back to an angle, zoom out a little bit. Now this gives me a shortcut for the extrude tool. So I click extrude and it gives me this arrow. I pull the arrow up and let's just put it at 25 millimeters. And you see all 4 legs go up by 25 millimeters. I hit enter and I can orbit. Let's orbit a little bit more. I hit escape. I'm going to turn off the grid, and there you have your simple table.